Alphabet A to Z. A. A is for apple. B. B is for basketball. C. C is for cat. D. D is for donut. E. E is for elephant. F. F is for frog. G. G is for guitar. H. H is for house. I. I is for iguana. J. J is for jaguar. K. K is for koala. L. L is for leaf. M. M is for moon. N. N is for newspaper. O. O is for ostrich. P. P is for pumpkin. Q. Q is for quail. R. R is for rose. S. S is for seal. T. T is for tomato. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for vase. W. W is for watermelon. X. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yarn. Z. Z is for zebra. Very good, bachcho. Now let's do lesson review. A for apple. B for basketball. C for cat. D for donut. E for elephant. F for frog. G for guitar. H for house. I for iguana. J for jaguar. K for koala. L for leaf. M for moon. N for newspaper. O for ostrich. P for pumpkin. Q for quail. R for rose. S for seal. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for vase. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yarn. Z for zebra. Thank you, kids. Subscribe my channel.